Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to another dolallycrafts unboxing video. This arrived today and it's an extra special box. This is our pre-order for the new catalogue. All demos that went to on stage on the weekend were able to put in a special order ahead of everybody who didn't go. So I'm really excited. It was my first on stage, as you will already know from previous videos. And I ordered this on Sunday. I can't even remember a lot of what I ordered. I do know there's some really special dies in here. So I've already opened it. I swear the cut on my finger was actually before I used the craft knife. I don't know how I did it. I had a quick clean up in my room and I've changed the filming area around. Now, I haven't looked in here since I got it, so I'll just get rid of the packaging. Okay, this is one of the celebration freebies that you can get in the new catalogue, Lasting Lily, and it's one of the, I think it's a distinctive stamp because you can actually see all the shading and everything in the leaves and the flower. It's, there's two lots of stamps in the case. You've got a lot of sentiments. The sentiments are actually what sold me on this set. I wasn't going to get it, even though I love the way the lily looks when it's stamped, and we saw a demo of it on Saturday. I wasn't over keen on it, but these sentiments, I don't think I'll be throwing, or not throwing, but I don't think I'll be selling this stamp set anytime soon after Celebration, or even in the next couple of years, because there are some really nice sentiments in that. So that's Lasting Lily, and that was one of the celebration items. Now, Forever Lovely is part of a suite. You've got the flowers, you've got the stems, you've got some nice little sentiments here, some small images that you can add to a background or what have you, and some hearts, and a lovely flower that you can actually pop out on the rest of it. Now, this is part of a bundle. So I've got to try and remember, because I don't have my catalogue here with me. I'm pretty sure this is part of it, which is the All My Love ribbon. There's a real red with white edging, and I think it's Calypso Coral. I think. I'll open that in a moment, but that actually goes with a set of Big Shot dies, which is the Lovely Flowers Edgelet dies. Absolutely gorgeous set. Just get rid of my rubbish. After tidying my craft room, I'm trying to put everything straight in the bin. Believe me, there was such a mess on my floor. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Now, I do believe that die there actually cuts out the flower. Yes, it does. As you can see, that's perfect size for that. And the leaf in here will actually get cut out. You've got two leaf dies. So, yeah, that will really match well. Now, there was another stamp set in the Forever Lovely suite. There was another stamp set and another die set. I may get that later, but at the moment I'm going to be quite happy with just this die set. You've got some gorgeous little corner dies that will put lovely accents onto your page. You've got some cutouts which you could actually just cut little flowers out of the page so that you've got the colour coming through, and the same here, just a beautiful little accent. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out to see how they all go together. I've just got to get it back in the packet and put them all on my magnetic sheet. So that's the Forever Lovely with the ribbon. Now also we have the All My Love cardstock that goes with the DSP. So there we go. And in that you've got lovely lipstick. I think it's Calypso Coral. And looks like not Sahara sand, crumb cake maybe. Okay, I'll just pop that out the way and we'll go delving for the gorgeous papers that are in this suite. So here's where we'll find out what the colours are. There's Balmy Blue, it is Crumb Cake, there's Flirty Flamingo, Lovely Lipstick, Soft Sea Foam and Whisper White. So the that must be Lovely Lipstick in the packet. Just open this up. Hasn't got a name on it, but I would say, yes, that's Lovely Lipstick. We did use this on the weekend, but there's no mention on the packaging. It'll probably be in the catalogue, and as I said, I don't have my catalogue handy, but I'm trying to open this to show you because it's really nice ribbon, but there's a special thing that you can do with this ribbon, if I can get the plastic off, and it doesn't want to come. Oh, there we go. And I swear I didn't cut myself on the craft knife. Now, I don't know whether you can see that, but the ribbon's actually got white edging. You can pull the white out so that you've just got the Lovely Lipstick ribbon. So there's a 2-for-1 ribbon with that one. And I'm pretty sure that would be Calypso Coral, which is one of the other... No, it's not. The Calypso Coral must go with the other half of the suite. Oh, it could be... It's probably Flirty Flamingo. That'll be what it is. It's Flirty Flamingo. Because it's in the packet and my lighting is a bit dodge, it looks more like Calypso Coral to me. So there you go. You've got the DSP, you've got the matching cardstock, one of the stamp sets, one of the die sets, and the ribbon. Now also, no, I think that must be it. Yes, that's it for that set. Now the next set has beautiful butterfly Thinlits dies. So I'll pop that out. These are stunning. There you go. Look at all those. These look beautiful on the demonstrated cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies that are all joined together. You've got lots of little ones at the side. You've got some flowers. You've got really itsy bitsy ones there, but that's not all. How about some more, where you've got another 5 dies, different butterflies again, more of these itty bitty ones. You've got 2 of this one, 2 of this one, 2 of that, 2 of that, and 2 of that. But the larger dies are totally different, and you've got the 2 florals there as well. So you've got 2 each of these ones, so it just makes die cutting that much quicker. Absolutely stunning, and I couldn't wait to put my order in because I have missed our butterfly Thinlits dies. I have got such a collection now, you wouldn't believe. So that's those butterflies. And I'm pretty sure it goes with this butterfly set, which is the Butterfly Gala. So that is another bundle there. In that bundle, that was all I got in that bundle. As I said, I can't remember what I got. So those two go together. Now, there is another butterfly set, which you would have seen a sneak peek of a moment ago. And this is the Beauty Abounds butterfly set. And this also comes with a punch. So you'll be able to punch the smaller butterfly out. Oh, hang on. No. The Beauty Abounds goes with that one. The Butterfly Gala goes with the punch. So as you can see, all of those large butterflies actually tie in with the punch and the smaller butterflies. So you have got so many butterflies to choose from here. I am over the moon. And even better, one of the celebration giveaways is 1, 2, 3, 4.5 of these wooden butterfly elements, and these are in the celebration, so you actually can get those for free when you spend $90 or more. I did forget, we have these heart epoxy droplets, which you can colour with your Stampin' blends, and they go with the Forever Lovely bundle. Sweet. Now, I got Just Because as a host set. I really, really like this set. It's got, and when we saw it demoed, it's absolutely stunning. I'm sure you'll like it. This is only for hosts of workshops, whether that be an online workshop or an in-person workshop. And I thought that would go really nice with the Gingham Garden, the Gingham Gala Suite. On one side of the sheet, you have small gingham. On the other side, you've got a larger gingham. Now, if you haven't ever watched Brian King, he's a US demo. He did an absolutely stunning card this week on his web page, and it was using the Grapefruit Grove, I believe, of the version of the Gingham Garden, and it looked absolutely stunning. It was a very simple card. It was a thinking of you card from memory, or a get well card, and it was absolutely stunning. Now, part of this set is also the flax ribbon in Whisper White. So this goes really nicely. You also, as part of the Gingham Gala, you can also get a stack of sequins in flowers and just sequins. These are self-adhesive ones, and I just thought they will look lovely when I mix them in with my butterflies. The Gingham Gala also comes with its own matching cardstock. You've got Balmy Blue, Calypso, is it Calypso Coral? I've got Calypso Coral on the brain, and I can't remember whether that's actually the colour. I think it's no, it's Grapefruit Grove. See, they are so close in colour. So you've also got Highland Heather. So it's Highland Heather, Grapefruit Grove, and Balmy Blue. Beautiful colours to match in with the Gingham Gala set. And more butterflies. Look at that. I'm going to open this paper pack so you can actually see how gorgeous these papers are. Okay, so they are double-sided. Do not throw these cardstock pieces away. I'm going to show you how to use them in a couple of days in a project. Now, from memory, all one side is all black and white. Yes. Some of these you can colour these in with your blends if you wanted to. Beautiful black and I love the black and white stripes. They're really good just to put an accent on the side of a card. Now, how about that one? You could colour just a spotlight colour one butterfly and have the rest of the paper black and white, or you could colour in all the flowers and just have the butterfly in black and white. Just stunning. Okay, so I'll just go through. So you could colour highlight any of these. They would come up glorious. Beautiful polka dots and more black and white gingham. So that's the black and white side, and then onto the coloured side. How beautiful. I'm going to get rid of this box. How beautiful is this paper? I just love the colour tone, the way the blend across the cardstock, and just the colour of the butterflies. So that's the first one. The next is a beautiful, is it lemon lime twist? Yes, lemon lime twist. I'm going to be sorry to see the end of this one in June when it leaves our collection. I really love the lemon lime twist, and I honestly don't think Granny Apple Green is quite the same. This is so vibrant. Another one of the colourful butterflies. Now, because it's got the blue background, this could actually be used in a dad card as well. A lot of dads would be into, well, years ago were into butterfly collections, so this would be ideal. Okay, another beautiful spring garden or summer garden with all the beautiful butterflies in it. Highland heather background, which against the lemon lime twist is beautiful. I love that combination. I actually like the balmy blue with Highland heather as well. And for a lovely baby card, how about that in the daffodil, a very, very pale daffodil delight in the background there. Really beautiful. Okay, so that's our cardstocks. Please ignore the colour of my table beneath this. Just pop that there. So, there's our collection. We have the beautiful butterfly collection, which didn't even have a name on it. It is part of Celebrations. This was the freebie in the SAB catalogue. So, I ended up with that from the SAB, my butterfly elements, and what was the other thing I got? I got 3 things. Oh, that's right, my stamp set. So they were my 3. I could have gotten 4 items, but I decided to go with the Lasting Lily. You have to spend $180 minimum to get this set for free, and these come with a $90 order, a $90 order, or a $180 order. And then my other 2 stamp sets, my host stamp set, my Forever Lovely stamp set, which comes, as I said, in the suite with the paper and the dies, and then my gingham garden, which I can't wait to use, with my butterflies. Oh, I'm so looking forward to using all of this. Anyway, that's enough of me. That's enough from me for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and you'll join me later in the week or early next week for some beautiful cards that I'm going to put together. If you haven't had a look at Brian King's blog, go over and have a look at it. Just Google Brian King and go and have a look at the gorgeous card he put together. Okay, bye for now.